had a great day today with Ikea, and what we did was a color design workshop where we helped a team of designers and visual merchandisers at Ikea come up with a color collection that complements their furniture. And we wanted to start off with an abstract kind of mood, so we created the persona, person who lives in the space, and accordingly decided what the color palette is. And we used some abstract items such as flowers, or we used a certain mood that portrays this person.
I think color inspires, and keep inspiring us with these beautiful palettes of colors. And I've seen it through the years, they're changing, and it is very interesting how every year I'm very much touched by the color palettes.